No rice. Don't like. We
Cannot.
don't like.
One day.
One day.
For one day. Because it's
We
Swiss,
try.
with Swiss food. You have to try the Swiss food, right?
No more rice will kill us. No rice will kill us. I'm the host here. Hi, the host. Parang yung tirap. We're going. Andrew Villas. Video bomber. Andrew Villas. Dinner. Going to the dinner of
Yeah.
people community in the Philippines. So now.
Mozzarella.
Ugo.
No, mozzarella. Mozzarella. Cheese.
Ay, dito. Love.
No.
Ay, baka ko itlog.
Try. Try. It's the cheese from the pizza.
Ah!
The same cheese from pizza. Mozzarella. Right.
Akala ko po.
Okay, now.
Lasa.
Egg. Egg bread. Okay.
Ubo man.
Yan ang kanyang asin.
Akala ko ano kwek-kwek.
Hey, tingin naman isa.
Ano? Mani pa kayo.
Nothing for you? Grilling the bacon.
Para hindi
Ang dami pagkain.
ito ganyan, pwede.
Bacon. Sa Philippines, breakfast. Dito dinner.
Ganyan yan siya. Okay na.
Thank you. Huh? Yeah.
Ate Grace.
How is it? Thank you.
Hi, I love Carmelita.
So, bawat isa, naman, kasi iyan naman. Hi everyone, so we prepare some goodies for the XB Jensen. We have Toblerone, protein. We will give to each member because many of the Filipinos wanted to give something to them, and we are really happy that everybody is supporting this cause for the XB Jensen. And not only that, we still prepare a lot like t-shirts, bags, and everything. So the guys are ready to get their gifts. Okay. Binuksan nyo na? Binuksan ako. Sa'yo yan, Tess? Oo, para lang sa pag-speaker. This one is from Ate Jenny. Nakakatuwa sila. This one is a bit special. I will give each one a backpack.
Solid for parang.
Thank you.
Minsan lang yan.
Basta nakasali to. Baka yung magulo muna, yung mga nilalamig. Pag-combo.
Sila lang naman. Grabe.
Ako naman kasi. Oh, ladies. Sexy ka na.
Ate, nakikita ba?
Darlene, yung bang ayusin. Ba't ikaw wala?
Ano ba man siliit?
Gusto ko solo.
Ano?
Ay, Rob.
1, 2, 3.
Di ba?
Eh.